Alright, boys. What is going on back after a little while? Well, not feels like a little while, but just after this weekend of trading. Is Monday. We've got news at 2 a.m. PMI. I think, yeah, PMI it is 2 a.m. Red Folder News, so I'll just be looking out for that. Overall in the day, I'm leaning a lot more bullish. We've already displaced a fair few creating all this low resistance liquidity without really taking out any highs here. So we've been moving lower for the last little while here. Also with investing this leg up, we have taken out that liquidity, but that was all last week. We have moved a fair bit lower though. That is one thing we have done, right? We have put in an SMT. We have created an SMT at this low with this sweep here. We have all this unfilled 2 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour here with all this low resistance liquidity. Also the new week opening gap with Asia highs also resting above us. One thing I reckon we need to look out for, we've got this low down here still. I'd be really waiting for us to take this low. Not really sure if there's anything for us to hold down here past this low, like a fair value gap or order block or anything like that. But there's some like decent rejection blocks there, but no, this is something to look out for. Just waiting to really see what price action does really on this 2 hour fair value gap. I'd be looking for price to tell us what we want to do here. So obviously inverse this first gap, but I really want it for us to confirm the bullish move. I really want to see what we do on this first hourly gap here, this hourly gap there, to really confirm what we want to do. So I'm really just waiting to see how price is reacting off this sort of leg move down, then to see a move higher. So that is my alarm. But yeah, that is really what I'll be looking for. So just really waiting to see how we react off this, because we might possibly want to it'd be better maybe if we could or just seeing depending how we react off everything, maybe we inverse that, take this, maybe take this low as well, then just see final move lower. Because once we take this low, we've pretty much taken out like majority of sell side liquidity we even have at the moment. Like there's still possibility that we might see a reaction off this gap here. Just really waiting to see how we hold this and waiting for confirmation. If we do get that confirmation through that 1 hour, I'm not really too sure how long to go about it, because I'd have liked for us to invest this like now and then get a pull back into that gap, and then for us to probably move higher. But it seems as though that we're going to do something a little bit like this. Hopefully hold that, and see confirmation. Then maybe see a small little pullback lower, small pullback lower, and maybe see into the bottom of this, or ideally a full close above the weekly opening range gap. But yeah, we're a decent bit below Asia session. We had a bit of a sell-off, but yeah, it was really just waiting for what price action is telling me. I will be waiting for, most likely I am going to be waiting for this candle close to wait for confirmation, so that means I will be waiting for news. So yeah, just really just staying patient this morning, and yeah, thank you.